Guys, we are back on the next day. Suspension had a little time to settle, and I am really happy with how the car's sitting right now. So I think I'm actually just going to leave it exactly how it sits, and we're just going to go from there. Now, the reason why we're back today is because my rears are rubbing against the inner liner of this quarter panel here. And it only happens when you hit bumps or take really hard turns, so it's not like anything drastic. But unfortunately, on my way home, it did start gashing my my tire a little bit, so that's no bueno. So we're gonna go ahead and get that fixed. I've never done this before. I've never rolled fenders, but I've seen a lot of people do them. I kind of understand the concept of it. I'm just gonna give it a shot. If I fuck up, oh well. Trial and error, I guess. All right, guys, so we got our heater gun and we have our fender rolling tool, I guess you want to call it. They're ready to go. So what we're going to do now is we are going to put the car back on lift, raise it up. Unfortunately, have to take the tires off. So we're going to lift it up, take the tires off, unfortunately, and then try to roll the fenders. Before I put it up in the air, I'm actually going to break the lug nuts loose by hand, so that way when they're in the air, I don't have to hit them so hard with the impact gun. It's literally been one day and they're already dirty. This is not good. gonna start by taking these lug nuts out very gently. So it's kind of hard to show you with this damn glare over here, but oh, that's better. So right here, you can see it's already rubbing here. So I'm gonna try to fold all of this back over so that way the bumper won't interfere. I think I might go to like somewhere around here and stop curving it, but all of this needs to be curved. So let's do that. So I will say that now that I'm doing this YouTube channel, it's really coming quick to realize how much actually work and effort it comes into it. So I really still don't know what I'm doing. So what I'm going to try to do is I'm going to try my best to keep it as simple as possible. Because I don't want to, you know, I just don't know what I'm doing. I just don't know what I'm doing. And after my first video, it's a lot of work. So I'm going to try to take it slow. The first video was like 16 and a half minutes. I was going to show you to do all four, but that's kind of repetitive. So I'm just going to show you how to do this one. Maybe show you how to do the front one because I actually have to take the fucking the liner off of that one. But essentially it's all the same. So I might just show you how to do this one and we'll leave it at that. And then we'll try to do some other stuff later on. I'm just trying to be consistent at this point. All right, let me get you in here. Not bad. Could be better, could be worse, you know. I think this edge might be, I think this edge leads a little bit more. This is good. But I think this edge might need just a little bit more. All right, I went ahead and did this back corner now. It's a little better. I'm not trying to go too crazy, but this is a little tough. I didn't want to keep bending it because I didn't want to flare this out. So this will have to do for now, hopefully. But this part, which where was rubbing the most, is pretty good now. So I think that's good. Now all we got to do is mount the tire back on and do it 3 more times. Yay. All right. So honestly, after the first one, the second one wasn't that bad. Now that I got the hang of it, you know. This actually came out pretty good. I do say so myself. This is like a bracket that I didn't want to bend, so that's why it looks like that there, but that's not going to interfere. It should be fine. It's really up here that's the worst. And man, I'm not gonna lie, I'm proud of myself. I think it looks good. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the tire back on this one and then continue to the front. So upon further inspection, I looked at the front, and when I drove it, I remember only hearing the noise coming from the back and not the front. And then when I had it up in the air and I was looking at this actual lip on this fender, the lip on this fender is actually very, very, very thin. And there's a little bit of a concave here that's just wide enough for this tire. I think this is good enough. So what I'm actually gonna do is I'm gonna leave it as is for now. I'm actually gonna go drive it. We'll drive it around, whip it around, hit some bumps, take some turns, and see if I hear any noises coming from the front or the rear to make sure that the rear is good to go. So I'm gonna do that, and then we'll go from there. All right, so rear, nailed it. Rear is not making any more noise. I feel like if it was gonna make noise, it would have made noise on that drive, but it for sure didn't. And I think once the rear shocks settle, I think we're gonna be good to go. So no more worries on that. My tire is going to thank me at some point, if it ever does. This side is the same. Nice and tucked. I actually feel like this side is a little bit more tucked than this side. Let me check that one more time. Nah, it's about the same. Yeah, it's about the same. So we're good on that. Now, what did make noise was the front. The front did make a little bit of scraping noise, but I believe it's because of this fender liner I have on here. This is like an aftermarket fender liner, and I wanted to put it on here because it just looked cleaner, and I felt like it'd be better for the car. But now I'm thinking maybe not. I don't know. I'm gonna do a little bit of inspection on it, and I'll see where we go from here. All right. So I figured out what the issue is here. So let me show you the other side first. So if you go on this side of the car, if you look at this angle on this front corner, this front fender, the design of the car cuts down here, and then this part of the fender is a nice flush slope down, right? It's got the little crevice here on the edge. Looks great. On this side, I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but right here, it's dented. No, it wasn't me, I promise. But the body line is supposed to cut down here, and then all of this is supposed to be a nice curve. But right here, I bet you can see it now, there's a dent here, and there's also a dent right on the trim piece right here. So because of that, the fender is actually sitting a little in, and that's what's causing the rubbing only on this side. And it doesn't help that because of this fender, and it also doesn't help that my, plump self in the driver's seat, that combo makes this side rub when driving. So what I did was I put my fingers underneath here, and I just pulled back until it gave it a little bit of space where I think it should be good to go from there. And is it ghetto? Yes. Would you be able to tell a difference if I didn't tell you? Probably not. But now you can see that. So I'm just gonna leave it as is for now. I'm not gonna go too crazy. Like I said, I have a lot more plans for this car, and now that I pulled this fender back, it shouldn't be no more of an issue. So yeah, we should be good to go. I'm gonna go ahead and clean up this mess that I made, close up the shop, and we're gonna keep moving. I don't know exactly what I'm gonna do next. What's most likely I'm gonna do next is fix these headlights, because these headlights are atrocious. I'm also waiting on an order that I made on another part for this car that I'll show you guys once it shows up. Once it shows up, I'll probably do that part with the headlight restoration, and that'll probably be my next video. But again, I appreciate you guys watching. Thank you so much for the subscriptions. Don't forget to like the videos. Liking the videos actually helps me out a lot. So if you guys like the content, please like the video, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.